Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about few of the most frequently used string handling methods in Java. So first we have the character add method. This method takes one integer index as argument and it returns one character at that index position. Like in example, while passing the index 1, this method will return the character E because E is located in the index position 1. Next we have the two character array method. This method returns one character array which has all the characters of the string object S. Now we're going to talk about the equals method. This method takes one string object as argument and this method returns boolean value. If both the strings are equal to each other, then this method will return true, but if they are not equal to each other, then this method will return false. The next we have the equals ignore case method. This method also takes one string object as argument and this method returns boolean true or false, but the only difference is that it ignores the case between these two strings while comparing them. Next we have the Startswith method. This method takes one string object as argument and it returns boolean true or false, and this method checks whether the string s1 started with the string s2 or not. Like an example, here s1 has the string welcome, s2 has the string well, so in this case this method should return true because the string s1 is started with the string s2 which is well. So next we have the endSwith method. This method takes one string object as argument and it also returns the boolean true or false, and this method checks whether the string s1 is ends with the string s2 or not. Like an example, here the s1 has the string welcome and s2 has the string come. So in this case this method should return true because the string s1 is ended with the string s2 which is come. So next we have the compare to method. This method takes one string object as argument and this method also compares the two strings s1 and s2, but it works slightly different than the equal to method. Here if the string 1 is greater than string 2, then this method will return one value which is greater than 0. When the string 1 is equal to string 2, then this method will return one value which is equal to 0, and when the string 1 is less than string 2, then this method will return one value which is less than 0. So these are the three possible cases that could happen while using the compare to method. So next we have the index of method. This method takes one character as argument and this method returns one integer index. Like an example, if we pass in the character C, then this method should return the index 3 because the character C is located at the index position 3. Next we have the substring method. This method takes one starting index and one finishing index and it will return one substring within those two index values. So if we pass in the starting index as 3 and finishing index as 5, then this method should return the string co which is located within the index 3 and 5. So next we have the concat method. This method takes one string object as argument and this method returns one string which is the concatenation of s1 and s2. Like an example, the s1 has the string hello and s2 has the string world, so this method should return one string which says hello world. And next we have the replace method. This method takes two arguments, one is character 1 and another one is character 2, and this method will return one string where all the occurrences of character 1 will be replaced by character 2. Like an example, if we have the first character as H and second character as F, then this method will return one string where all the occurrences of H will be replaced, so the final string will be fellow instead of hello. So next we have the trim method. This method is to remove all the white spaces around the string. So like an example, this method should remove the white spaces around the string hello, and it will return one string without any white space around it. And next we have the toLowercase method. As its name suggests, it will convert all the characters of the string object S to lowercase. Like an example, here the object S has one string where all the characters are in uppercase, and this method will return one string where all the characters of that string object will be in lowercase. And next we have the toUppercase method. This method returns one string where all the characters of the string object is converted to uppercase. Like an example, where the object is has the string hello where all the characters are in lowercase, but this method will convert it to a string where all the characters will be in uppercase. So these are the mostly used string handling methods in Java. Hope you understand them. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.